So we have a boost leak somewhere in the intercooler piping. So the way we're gonna find out where exactly the leak is, Justin, what are you gonna do?
Well, apparently I'm gonna vape into the intercooler piping to figure out where the leak is. I didn't know this was a thing. I thought they were joking, but they were being 100% legit.
Yeah.
So. You gotta go in it. I'm trying.
So there's a leak coming from down there,
Yep.
he just said. So he's gonna vape into it real quick. Bingo. That's great. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now, working on the Miata. It's running, we're kind of just doing some fine tuning, finding that boost leak. But the main theme for today's video, we're actually gonna be disassembling this engine. Here's a real quick montage of everything this engine's been through. So, enjoy. Get this sucker opened up. Alright, is that 3 gallons?
That's about 3.
Alright, so that 3 gallons cost us at current prices $13.62. Oh, dude. Oh.
So much focus going on right now.
I'm actually impressed.
Welcome back to the channel.
Alright guys, today we're gonna be getting the Miata drunk. So, will everclear work us feel? Let's find out.
Yeah, I started watching the channel 3 years ago with the Corvette video.
No way, really?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm hanging out with you guys now. I don't feel any different, you know?
You don't feel any more popular?
Oh God, no. You guys are retarded, especially that one.
Wait,
And I'm pretty stupid.
So just so y'all know, this is actually Everclear. We're breaking the seal right here. Who wants a shot?
Oh fuck.
You're the only one that can. He's the only one that's of age. We do not condone underage drinking.
This isn't gonna be embarrassing.
You want a little cup for a shot?
I got it.
hey, aren't you of age in Florida?
Yeah.
Oh my God. We take a whiff of this one? Don't huff this at home, kids.
3, 2, 1.
Ad break!
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna find out if Bud Light can be used as coolant. Cheers, y'all.
Fresh Bud Light down the hatch.
Number 2 coming in hot.
Welcome back, everyone.
What are we doing today, Zach?
We're seeing if you can run a vehicle on straight Zippo lighter fluid.
We're adults, okay?
No, we're not.
I am.
I know.
What the hell?
Oh, dude. It
sounds
so bad. It sounds so bad. Oh, we were so close.
So many tabs.
Today, we're gonna find out if Mountain Dew can be used as coolant. Big little bottle of Bartle Skeet for you.
You take a swig for America?
Let's do it. Shout out Cletus. We only have 1 bottle to flush it out with. I mean, we could always get more. This is by far the cheapest coolant I've ever used.
Oh yeah, look at that.
So remember whenever we did the Evil video, we did the burnout at an undisclosed location and we pissed off some locals. Mountain Dew coolant burnout, let's do it.
Go.
Let's go. All right, guys, round 2. I didn't feel good enough on that first one, so. Oh, we have an explosion. There is Mountain Dew in the cabin. Oh god, that is hot ass. Do I have fire extinguisher? Where is it? We're leaking Mountain Dew. It got on my foot. Just to be sure. Oh, that's what we broke. What? You see the heater hose? Today we're gonna be using seafoam as gasoline. We got half a gallon of this. We actually just went to Walmart.
All right, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna drain the gas in this 90 Mazda freaking Yada over here. Then what we're gonna do is put 6 of these freaking cans, these nice looking cans of seafoam as gasoline. You see now.
Another fucking ad break.
It runs! It runs! We are filling up the radiator with oil.
Oh, that's not good. Guys, look at the ground right now.
Oh, you can see from right here, dude.
It's spewing everywhere. It literally says in oil, replace up to 20%. Well, we're doing 100% today. What is that? Bro, what is that?
Keep going forward. There's parts everywhere.
Shit hit my feet. Oh my gosh.
No, like that's handy because I vaped and I saw the corner of my eye like vape coming from nowhere from where I blew. I was like, oh shit, it's actually leaking.
That surprisingly works.
They actually use like smoke machines for that sometimes. And
yeah.
fog machines.
Vapes have real world applications.
Yeah.
Surprisingly.
Yeah, so I'm not a douchebag anymore.
You still are a douchebag. Alright, so this is the infamous engine that went through the octane boost, the Mountain Dew coolant, the Bud Light coolant, the airplane fuel, you name it, it went through it. It has 2 very nice size holes in the block, one right there, and also right there. So let's go ahead and tear it apart and see what the insides look. Damn. Wow. What's that torque to fucking 450?
Way too much. Thor's hammer.
Thor's hammer. Bro, I'm hugging the shit out of your motor.
Look at that Make-A-Wish child right now.
Shut up. How many reasons does it take to fucking take a
Break some head studs loose.
3
So far. It's gonna be every one except for that one.
To pop up now?
Yeah, it will. Ooh. Look at that.
Oh god!
Oh, what is that?
That is beer, my friend.
Man, the morning after. Alright.
It's gonna be stuck on there pretty good.
He's staying as far back as possible.
I feel like I'm gonna get hit.
You definitely are gonna get hit.
This is not a part of the Make-A-Wish Foundation.
I didn't sign up for this.
I didn't sign up for this.
Oh my gosh.
Mountain Dew makes a strong bond. Oh, there it goes.
There we go.
Here we go.
Maybe.
Head is coming off.
Someone's gonna have
Possibly.
to get the pry bar while pulling it off.
Oh.
Wow. Damn, that's crazy. 2 pistons.
2 pistons.
Wow.
Oh, that one's definitely gone.
Dude, that's crazy.
And a very unhappy head.
Oh yeah, look at that one.
So 1 and 3 are gone. And then you also got a bunch of like just bad stuff. That's not good. Those are slapped. Oh, that's not good.
That's crazy.
Look at your spark plug.
This spark plug got
Spark plug's
decimated.
Dadgum.
think you're missing a rod, bud.
Yeah.
I found your ring. Oil ring.
That's
That's okay. That's fine.
Yeah, that
Part of a
that's-
piston.
Dude, we can put this back together, bro. It's like a puzzle.
Okay, so it's being held
Can you Jake weld the engine back together?
Yeah, it's being held together by the ring.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah, right here. Good lord.
Invest in your rings, guys.
So where'd the rest of the rod go?
Oh, there's another ring.
We can put it back together. We can fix it. Where's the rest of the rod?
The rod's in the trash. It was bent, bro.
That's a trophy.
Yeah, bro, what are you doing? I would have wanted to keep that.
on the wall right there.
That's crazy.
Oh, Marvel Mr. Oil.
Oh, dude. That's the Marvel Mr. Oil.
Apparently it gets
Oh,
purple.
there's a lot.
Wow.
Oh, there's a lot.
Oh god, bro, it's bleeding. It's
bleeding.
out. Should we save it? No. Oh, there's some traces of regular oil in there.
If you ever need any random 10 mils, you got it.
Oh man.
Did we ever name this engine?
Uh,
I think it should be called Patricia!
oh man. Wow.
Oh, dude. So many metal shavings in there, dude.
That's crazy.
Yeah. My God.
Wow. Good as new.
Hey, wait a second. There's a part of the. Oh,
I hear a Miata. Oh, that's Zach's Miata. I think there's two Miata.
we got a crushed washer. I mean, it was a crush washer
It's even more crushed washer now.
with a good bit of JB weld and some ingenuity. We can bring it back.
Oh, that looks like mint condition.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
It's not supposed to be like that.
Yeah, nope.
Neither is that.
It's crazy.
But look at the crankshaft even.
Oh shit.